Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Muhammad Alif bin Hasme. My student ID is 2021617528. As a final year student, I have conducted a research study. My research title is The Impact of Physical Activity and Sleep Quality on Hand Grip Strength Among Male FSKM Students at UiTM 93. So now, let me present to you about my research study. The research background highlights the importance of hand grip strength as a comprehensive indicator of overall muscle strength and physical health. It is recognized for its ease and reliability of measurement and serves as a predictor of muscle strength. Hand grip strength has a significant impact on physical fitness and daily activities, making it a valuable metric in assessing functional health. Furthermore, it correlates with overall health, including mental health and cognitive function. This multifaceted importance underscores the relevance of hand grip strength in research focused on physical health, muscular strength, and their broader implication. The problem statement of this study addresses the challenges faced by male SKM students at UiTM 93 who often encounter demanding schedules and heavy academic workloads, so that I assume that it might lead to insufficient time for physical activity and poor sleep quality. Both insufficient physical activity and poor sleep quality can negatively impact the muscle strength as a crucial component of physical fitness. By understanding this association, this study aims to provide insights that could help improve the physical fitness and overall well-being of male students. This research is essential to developing strategies that support better health outcomes for this demographic. This research aims to address three primary questions and corresponding objectives. First, we seek to determine the association between physical activity and hand grip strength, RQ1 and RO1. Second, we aim to investigate the impact of sleep quality on hand grip strength, RQ2 and RO2. And third, we assess the relative influence and combined effect of physical activity and sleep quality on hand grip strength. By answering this research question and achieving this objective, it will help to provide a comprehensive understanding of how physical activity and sleep quality independently and collectively affect muscle strength among male students at UiTM 93. This understanding could lead to improved strategies for enhancing their physical fitness and overall well-being. The research hypothesis focus on the relationship between physical activity, sleep quality, and hand grip strength. The first hypothesis posits that higher levels of physical activity are significantly associated with stronger hand grip strength. The second hypothesis suggests that better sleep quality is significantly associated with stronger hand grip strength. Additionally, we hypothesize that physical activity has more significant influence on hand grip strength than sleep quality. This hypothesis aims to clarify the individual and comparative impact of physical activity and sleep quality on muscle strength, providing valuable insight for promoting better physical fitness and overall well-being in this target population. The study followed a cross-sectional research designed to assess the relationship between physical activity, sleep quality, and hand grip strength. The participants included 31 male FSKM students aged from 18 to 24 years old, who were either normal weight or overweight, did not take any sleeping pills, and also had no upper bone deformities. A random sampling method was used to ensure unbiased participant selection. The study utilized two key tools. The firstly is Global Physical Activity Questionnaire (GPA) to measure physical activity levels, and the secondly is Pittsburgh Sleep Quality Index (PSQI) to evaluate sleep quality. Hand grip strength was assessed using a Cambridge digital hand dynamometer to measure the strength of participant dominant hand. So now we proceed to the procedure of hand grip strength test. The firstly is participants were asked to use their dominant hand for the test, either right hand or left hand. Participants are advised to stand up. Then the arm holding the dynamometer was bent at 90-degree angle. The participants squeezed the dynamometer as hard as they could for a few seconds. Then they repeat this 3 times with short rest in between. the highest score out of the 3 attempts was recorded as their hand grip strength. So, as you can see, it was me doing demonstration to the participant. Okay, so for this study, I use this kind of data analysis. The firstly is descriptive statistic. It used to summarize the data, including measurement of mean, median, and standard deviation to describe the central tendency and variability of physical activity, sleep quality, and hand grip strength. Second data analysis is chi-square test. It applied to determine categorical association. For example, it assessed whether there is a significant relationship between physical activity levels or sleep quality categories and hand grip strength outcomes. Then, followed by Spearman correlation. It used for non-parametric relationship to identify the strength and the direction of the association between continuous variable such as physical activity score, sleep quality score, and also hand grip strength results. And lastly, I use multiple linear regression. It explores the combined effect of physical activity and sleep quality on hand grip strength. This method identifies which variable has a stronger influence while accounting for the other. This table shows the distribution of participants by education levels, BMI, and age. Among bachelor degree students, the majority are aged 22 and 23, with 25.8% being normal weight at age 22 and 32.3% at age 23. A smaller percentage are overweight at these ages. Diploma students are primarily aged 21, with 22.6% being normal weight. Non-diploma students were recorded as overweight. The data highlights the normal weight individuals are more prevalent in both education levels, with a higher proportion observed in bachelor degree students. The results highlight key findings among male FSKM students at UiTM Seremban 3. Most participants, 76.7%, had high physical activity levels, while 90.5% show moderate activity and 6.5% were in low category. Regarding sleep quality, nearly half, 48.4%, reported poor sleep quality, 41.9% moderate, and only 9.8% good sleep quality. For hand grip strength, 85.9% were in normal category, 22.2% show weak category, and only 12.9% had strong hand grip strength. These results emphasize the students' overall active lifestyle, but also highlight concern about sleep quality and hand grip strength. The results for Objective 1, which aim to determine the association between physical activity and hand grip strength, reveal significant findings. The descriptive analysis shows that the mean physical activity level among participants was 7,723 mat per minute, with standard deviation is 5,130, while the mean for hand grip strength was 37.5 kg, with standard deviation is 9.93. The chi-square test indicate a significant association between physical activity levels and hand grip strength. X square equal to 22.6 and P is 0.001. Additionally, the Spearman correlation analysis demonstrate a positive correlation between physical activity score and hand grip strength. Spearman is 0.403 and the p-value is 0.025. Based on these results, the hypothesis H1 is accepted, indicating that higher level of physical activity are significantly associated with stronger hand grip strength among male FSKM students at UiTM Seremban 3. The second objective is to examine the relationship between sleep quality and hand grip strength among male FSKM students. The descriptive analysis shows an average sleep quality score of 11.4, with standard deviation is 5.8, indicating poor sleep quality, and a mean of hand grip strength is 37.5 kg, with standard deviation is 9.93. The chi-square test revealed a significant association between sleep quality categories and hand grip strength. X square equal to 17.7, with p-value is 0.001. Spearman correlation analysis showed a moderate negative relationship between sleep quality score and hand grip strength, with p-value is 0.005, indicating poor sleep quality is linked to weaker hand grip strength. So, the results support the hypothesis H2, confirming that better sleep quality is significantly associated with stronger hand grip strength. For Objective 3, the combined influence of physical activity and sleep quality on hand grip strength was assessed. The descriptive analysis shows a weak correlation between predictors and ham gait strength, with only 16.6% of the variance explained. Multilinear regression revealed that physical activity P equal to 0.295 and sleep quality P equal to 0.466 were not statistically significant predictors of ham gait strength. Additionally, the combined influence of both factors was not significant, with p-value equal to 0.298, indicating that neither factors had a strong impact when considered together. As a result, the hypothesis H3 was rejected, showing that physical activity does not have a more significant influence than sleep quality on ham gait strength. Both factors independently contribute but lack of combined predictive power. So, the conclusion for this study is the finding of this study indicate that higher level of physical activity are significantly associated with stronger hand gait strength, emphasizing the importance of maintaining an active lifestyle. Conversely, poor sleep quality is linked to weaker hand gait strength, highlighting that impact of sleep on physical activity. However, the combined influence of physical activity and sleep quality on hand gait strength is not statistically significant, suggesting that while each factor independently contributes to hand gait strength, their combined effect lacks predictive of power. These results underscore the needs to address both physical activity and sleep quality individually to optimize hand gait strength among university students. So, that's all from me. I'm welcoming any question regarding to my research. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.